So we're going to continue to talk about the word equation and formula word equation worksheet, page 2. But before I go to page 2, I want to quickly review what I did not say last time. Is again, when we have metal and non-metal, when they are element only, we only use a symbol and the state, no charge, okay? Don't give me any charge. So for example, Fe will be just S. No Fe2 plus, no Fe3 plus, no such thing. Carbon will be just C, solid, okay? No charge at all, okay? And then all the diatomic elements, they will have the two form, H2, N2, O2, F2. So they will be called dihydrogen, dinitrogen, dioxygen. But sometimes on my quizzes, on my test, or on some like SAT, they would not say dihydrogen. They would just say hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. So if they're in the equation, you should know that they are not just H and O. You have to give them diatomic, meaning that you have to write H2, N2, O2, F2. And then all the states, okay, the first 5 will be gas at the room temperature, and then bromine will be L, and then iodine will be S. So even though they did not, sometimes they did not say anything, they just say hydrogen. You should know that it means H2 gas. Even though they did not say anything, they say iodine, you should know that it's I2 solid. So sometimes on my quizzes, on my tests, I will not say anything, okay? And then decompose into, when it's a decomposition, we will just use one arrow, decompose into, okay? Decompose into no plus, because nothing react with, because you have one thing decompose into 2. So page 2, I already did the questions here. Is again, we do the same thing. We go to number 7. Sodium chloride is ionic, so we underline sodium chloride, Na plus Cl minus. Sodium metal, it is the orange case here. Okay, so the metal is the element, is a metal. So I underline, I highlight is orange, and then I put Na. And then chlorine gas, you see that I put di on top because this is the first time that I show you. So I will tell you that it's dichlorine gas. But sometimes on my quiz, on my test, or SAT or MCAS, they will just say chlorine. They will not say di. They will not say gas. So you should know that should be Cl2 because Cl is one of the 7 diatomic. And Cl in the room temperature is always a gas. So Cl2. Now, this is a decomposition equation because you can see that one thing decomposes into 2. So decompose into is one arrow. Okay, that's it. And then I have another thing, N at the end. This part is not because we add with. This is only because I have more than one product. So I put plus N. Okay, so after I finish this, I can go ahead to do crossover if I have to. So Na plus Cl minus, I cross over, I get 2 I get NaCl solid, and then Na solid, and then Cl2 gas. And then finally, I balance to become 2, 2, and 1. Okay, now we go to number 11. Okay, zinc metal is a zinc, no charge. So I just put Zn, okay? Every time when you have a metal, non-metal is a element, no charge, okay? So zinc metal. And sulfuric acid is one of the green color that I highlighted. So it is H2SO4. We highlight H2SO4. And then zinc sulfate, it is a ionic compound, so we have to underline that. And then I put zinc 2 plus, SO4 2 minus, so that we can cross over. And then you see hydrogen. See, I put di, okay? But sometimes I have no di, no gas. I just put hydrogen. You should know that should be H2, okay? And then we add with is a plus, to yield is an arrow, and will be plus. So then we can start to write zinc metal is always a solid. Okay, so how do I know metal is a solid? Because I go back to the solid here. Okay, metal is a solid. Okay, and then H2SO4 aqueous. Okay, because acid is aqueous. ZnSO4 because I cross over. ZnSO4 I cross over, and then H2 is a gas. Okay, and then after this I balance it will be 1, 1, 1, 1.